Oshie, all done. Hi guys, today we are going to make a volcano. Are you excited next it? Yes, Akka. First, we have to fix the bottle with sellotape. And we have to fix it with this big ball. Next it, put the white paper so we can cover the bottle. Yes, good boy. Next it, put the foil. First we have to make a round thing with the foil. I want to do it now. First we need to take some cellophane. Pick on it, put it. Yes, good. Put it. Thank you. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. The volcano outlook is ready. First, we need to put baking soda. More next it, more. Yes, now can I put? We added food coloring to the water. With water, I added to the volcano. Next it, what you are looking inside the volcano? I'm going to add vinegar. And now the bubbles will come out to the volcano. Hey, the volcano is going to blast off. It's going to fizz. Yay! Bye guys, subscribe to my channel and click the bell button.